Okay guys, so last time I was out, I got a big chunk of ice caught in my boot and tore it. So now I'm going to try and fix these. I bought a tire patch kit, which is just rubber cement, some rubber, and something to rough it up. So I'm going to rough up this whole area. I'm going to put one patch on it, then I'm going to rough that patch up and put another one on top of that, hopefully to seal it for the season. Because I don't know if you can see that very well, but I roughed up a big spot around it. Now I'll put glue on here, and then I'm going to put a small patch. It's a little bigger than the hole. And then I'm going to rough that one up. And then I'm going to put a bigger patch over everything. And then I might even put some duct tape around it. We'll see how this actually holds. I just know that this stuff usually starts to, once it catches on the edges and stuff, starts to peel back. I want them to last the rest of the season at least. I just had them since last year, so we'll see. So I got glue all over it. I'm going to put this first patch on. This blue part comes off, it'll be black. Go over my tear. I'm going to go over everything again. So there's number 1. I'm going to glue up the whole area and put number 2 on. I'm going to do it all right now. Or I might let this dry for a little bit. Yeah, I'll let it dry. I'm going to put a little extra around the edges, and then I'm going to let it dry. I changed my mind again. I glued it all up. I'm going to put it on while it's wet, so hopefully I can push down and get the glue to bond kind of in between the two pieces better. This is all new. I don't know whether this whole thing will work or not. It could peel right off, but that's what we're trying. So this is what it looks like. Not looking too bad. All my edges are down. Try to squeeze out all the glue. It's 2 pieces thick. Let that cure up. See what happens. Alright guys, I've been out twice now. So the waders are staying dry. It's working out pretty good. It looks pretty dumb, but what I ended up doing was taking duct tape and wrapping around my boot so that those patches don't get caught in the grass. And it's working, so if it just gets me through the season, that's all I could ask for.